Hello everyone.
Hi, bro.
Today we're gonna learn what are the basics things for making a poster. Okay. Basically, poster means you're making designs of a poster for posting in it on Insta or some social media handles. First of all, we have to know what is the size means poster size. For example, let's take an Instagram post. It contains three types of sizes. That means 1:1, and you'll get a horizontal one, and you'll get 4:3 also. But basically, many of the clubs or many of us consider 1:1 is the best. Okay, first in the first step of making the poster is choosing the background. From my side, I'll choose a background from three websites, means from those websites only, because they'll provide us HD backgrounds and we'll get to know what and what from them. And I'll provide those links also. First I'll show those websites. um, can you see my screen here?
Yeah,
First I prefer freepic.com. You can get three pics a day free, for free. Okay, you can select any pick, but this website contains some of the premium picks and some are for free. Premium we can't access. If you buy, you can buy, but there are many free picks, means we can take. Okay, let us take some topic. Okay, like mm, farmers day, or let's take farmers. Just say some, type some word regarding that. Okay, and let us see, means choose the background. Okay, choosing of background is main important. If you take a hour time, 2 hours time, first of all you have to select the background which is more innovative, more attractive, and more colorful. Okay, that's the main point of making posters. Okay, um for example, let us take. Okay, let's take this pic. Okay, just for example, not for thing, for saying you, for teaching you, I'll take this pic. Okay, okay, now I'm pressing download. Will give you thing. Okay, you'll get a zip file. And after that, first the main basic thing is we have to keep the logos, means our logos, right? First thing is selecting the background of the poster. Okay, the thing we have done with it. And choose the PSD format, because many are using Photoshop. Illustrator also okay, but Illustrator is a complex thing. PSD format. Or if you don't know, or if you don't have any laptop resource, you can do it by phone, in phone also. The the phone procedure I'll say at the end. First of all, I'll say how to do in Photoshop. Okay, this is in Illustrator. If you want in do in Photoshop, you can take this photo to PSD format. Here, export as. Okay, let's take some photo. Okay, click OK. Okay, now it is converted into PSD format, or you can take any random pic also. Just not just JPG also you can take. Okay, now we'll open this in Photoshop. Now if you see here, this is a PNG thing. If you want to add a background or something for PNG, you can what is basically a PNG that can add on any pic, any JPG, anything. This is a PNG pic. Now we have to add some background to it. Now right click on it. Let us take a solid color. Let's take this. Okay, I think this is not that good. Let's take white. Okay, now adjusting the pic to the 1:1 format. Okay, 1:1 format you can adjust by using cropping tool here. Just cropping tool. Now just crop the image. Let's take till here. Or if you want to add this text also you can add, but see this whole thing, and this thing also we can convert it to means the background can be converted to white. That's not a problem. Okay, this okay, everything is okay. Now the thing is how to make a poster more attractive thing, right? Now the first step is completed, the pic is taken, and the process of resizing also done. Now how to add these logos and all. Logo is nothing but an PNG. Okay, I'll send you every logos in the group, but I have the folder here. See, first see here, we have some logos. Our club logos, one is black, white, and social media logos, and our VAT logo and ILO logo. Everything is there. First of all, we have to adjust the logos in their position. Okay, now we'll take this is white background, right? Now we can take this black VAT logo, this VAT tag, right? If you take this, first of all the main thing is, while resizing the logo, we don't want to spoil the logo measures. If you don't want to spoil, just click this link button. Link means if you decrease the height, it will automatically decrease the width, means that shows that no resizing happening, means that don't distort the logo thing. Okay, understand?
Or can we convert
Yes,
that
true.
to smart object, bro?
Hello.
Or else can we convert that to a smart object?
Smart object is also okay, but this is the easy way, right?
Yeah.
And if you click OK, it will be like this. If you want to adjust also, you can adjust. See, if your size is small, or if you want to decrease it, just click on that and Control T, or one second, click on the VAT tag, means the logo layer, and click on it. Just Control T, you can resize it whatever size you want. Okay, no issues in that. Now adding the club logo. This club logo same as I did before for VAT logo. Once again, Okay, now we have to add our text, means the basic text of our club posters is, first I'll just show you the example of our posters. See here, if you can see here, the first thing we did logos, adding of logos, and the next thing is for every poster, any poster, we have to add these two: Office of Students Welfare, Solai Club. Okay, and that the event, what's the event name or the occasion name? This is the Farmers Day thing, right? Okay, we are adding Farmers Day. And basically for choosing the backgrounds or pngs or anything, we have to be some innovative, not common as other groups. Let's take something for festivals. We can see some of the groups are doing same posters, not same, similar posters. We have to be different from others. So taking of the pngs or backgrounds should be more innovative and more different from others. Okay, now adding up these checks here, we can see here the image is pretty high level. Okay, we can move them here by selecting phd. Why I said phd, take phd in the first, because phd is a thing that we can move anything or without any more stress on it, means more work on it. See here, this is the layer thing, right? We can move here. See, this is a group thing. Wait a second. Can you see that? We can
Yes.
adjust anything like this. Let us take um, I think, one second, we can remove some of them, means we can add everything, but if you want to, okay, one second, if you want to add everything here, just select everything, like this. One second, we'll just turn off logos a bit. Okay, instead of moving these all things, means the text is different here, we can add our text, means we can add our own text, right? We'll do one thing, we'll remove this text and we'll extend the area to above the pic. Okay, as I did before, we'll remove it and we'll extend this area. Okay, now we'll add our logos here. First of all, now selecting the font. Okay, basically the Office of Students Welfare thing should be an official and should be an formal thing. Okay, that's why no stylish fonts is allowed for that. Okay, now for typing the text, we'll use text tool. You can see here T, that's the text tool. And once again, just click on the color layer, means the layer which we have to type the text. This is our layer, right? So I'm clicking here, and we'll just type it and we'll change it later. What's that? Office of Students Welfare. That went outside. Let's bring this side. And Control A, selecting everything and changing the text to an formal thing. Let us see here. Okay, let's take this and decrease the font. Okay. Okay. Now what's the basic thing next? The next step is adding our club font, means text. Now our club font should be a much bigger than the Office of Student one, and that should be attractive, means taking the text color is more so like okay. Now we'll add some text which is bold and which is more attractive. Okay, let us see. Club. Okay, let's take this and we'll add some other color. Let's increase this size to 18. Okay. Now the above part, upper part is done. Okay. Now if you want, means for taking the background, every in that background everything is not required. We have to adjust them to our posture. Okay, let us take this plate, the plate of food. I think this is not required to us. Let us take a brush tool and we'll erase it off. A second. Think. One second. Sorry. While erasing the thing of the color here, the black. If you have the black, it will be black. Okay, means just a pencil tool. But in the brush tool can be used as many types. In masking, we can use it as bring the foreground to foreground. Means in masking, if you mask this buffalo, if you rub the area here, it will give the original layer of area back. That's one use of brush tool. But in this in this example, we are using the brush to rub the, means not rub, just adding this color to here, means the foreground should be black or white, right? So we're gonna rub it. One second. What's happening? Yeah, if you want to increase the brush size, you can increase here. Yeah, now you can see that's not there. That's why I told PhD. If you have a PhD thing, see, PhD thing means the image which you have downloaded, it's like a movable thing, so you can adjust anything, you can minimize this buffalo size, anything. Let's take this in this PhD. They have given some groups. If you turn off this group, let's take this. See, without erasing, we can just turning off this, means it will go off, right? Can you see that? Like see everything here, this we can turn off, and here you can turn off this, means turning off means just not visible. Okay, this is okay. Like that we can do whatever we need in the PhD thing. Okay, and next the main thing is we want to add the event name or occasion name below the Solai Club thing. Okay, here below the Solai Club, we don't have space, we have to adjust them. Okay, Now let us take this buffalo to here. Let's just everything once again, and let's just this a little bit down once again. And what's this? Okay. Okay. What's this? Okay. This is everything. Okay. Let's take this bit down and let's turn on this layer. Let's take this. Once again, we'll add that later. Okay. And we want to add buffalo. Where is the buffalo? Oh, this is pig. Okay. If you want to rotate this, means this goat layer, just unroll this, click on this layer, and can flip it once again. Flip horizontal. Now I can if you don't want to means disturb those layers, just lock them off. And right, if you want to minimize this, and we can adjust that here and do that. Like this. Can rotate that. And what is left? Buffalo. Buffalo. Where is buffalo? So this is big. Yeah. Now just resizing it. We'll add this over here. Remove this dark thing. Remove dark this side. Okay. This is more smaller. Let's leave here. Okay. Mm, did I leftovers anything? I'll add this means I'll add this ground layer here also. Do it later once again. And now we have to leave some space at the bottom because we have to add the text of social media handles, and for every poster uh, we have to be more conscious of adding the last line, that is for more information contact events.sw@bat dot something. Okay, that we have to type it over this, means that should be a small font, not that much, means not that much required, but it should be required for every poster. Like let us type that for kids on white, we'll change the color to something like, okay, for more information contact events.sw creative dot ac dot in. Okay, now selecting text font. Okay, we'll minimize it. Okay, now the main thing is the event name should be very big, means that should be uh, noted down by everyone just seeing the poster, not by studying the bio what's happening everything. Okay, then the event is happy farmers day. Let's add it, happy farmers day. And one thing, if you don't find any font in this Photoshop, we can have online fonts. Online fonts. That's I'll fonts day. Okay, I'll say about that. Means that website. This happy farmers day. We want to change the text. Okay, the website is DA font. The font. You can find pretty much fonts here. Wait a second. See, do you want a fancy one, old school, or fancy things, means fancy foreign look, techno, something, something. I'll just, I think, one second. I'll add some cartoon type things. I think this, or wait, I'll add some this 3D text thing. I'll just downloading and open that. Just open this file, open type font type file, and just press install. Here install. Now What's the font name? Sketch. Just search for Sketch. Sketch 3D. Just increase the size. Oops. Let's take 30. Okay. Performance day. And I'll add some other. This is for the example purpose. I'm just showing roughly, not this text. I'm just adding some other text. Do you guys understand? Hello.
Yes, bro, got it, got it.
Now selecting a font is completed and the event name is also completed. If they want to add some description, means let's see this poster. What's happening here? Spotlight is the event name. What's happening? Article writing, the date and the time. Okay. Now we have done till here. Okay. Now we want to add our social media handles and that ILO logo. Let's add them. That's the final task of us. Now our social media. First ILO logo. This is ILO logo white, right? This is black. Let's take. Let's take this and move it a little side. We can add here also, but I thought of adding this side because this is not an event, right? Just saying happy Farmers Day like that. Okay. I'm adding here. What's our social media handles thing? So like 1 second. So like VAT. Everything means LinkedIn, everything. But in different clubs, they have different names. For our club, it's only single name. So like club VAT for every social media handle. Okay. Just first, okay, color. We'll select it later. First, we want to add those logos, right? We'll move this back side and we'll set this a bit this side. And now these are our social media handles. Once again, what's happening? What? Yes, once again. Just resize this. Do remember the social media, this, social media logos, everything should be clear. Means you guys can find a random logo in website, but I'm sending everything. Means the VAT logos also can be find on Chrome, but I these logos are more bit official and more bit good than others. So I'll send every logo in the group. Just take them and we okay. And second, resizing everything will be done after setting everything. Now we want to adjust them. For adjusting these small logos, just zoom near them. Now we can see what is the height. Everything should be equal and should be fair enough to see. Okay, I think this was good enough. And now the text should be actually bottom is at the bottom line is also good, but if you select like this means in the middle format, it will be good enough to see. Now press Ctrl C. Now major poster thing also everything is done, means from your side everything is done, means if I assign some this work to some guy like Chaitanya, or one second, Praveen, Praveen, he made me and he sent this. If I want to add something, you don't just means wait, I'll say after completion of everything, you just want to file, save as JPEG. Okay, whatever you want, just save that. It will ask this. Then you can find that JPEG here. Where is this? This is the thing you are sending to me. Okay, if I want you to change something, okay, if I want to change this font, bro, this is not nice, just change it. Okay, he want to change it. If he deleted this PSD file, he want to do from first. If you save this PSD file, you can you can easily change them. If you don't have this, you have to means brush it off, and you have to add some other text, and it will take a lot of time. So my suggestion is to save the PSD files till the event completes, because after the event no one can ask you change, right? Okay, that's the main issue. And that's it, how to make and all, everything is okay in Photoshop, right? Hello.
Yes, bro. Yes.
Okay, now I am saying for those who don't have Photoshop. Okay, who don't have Photoshop, I mean not Photoshop, laptop or anything, they can do the posters in phone itself. In phone, you can find this Canva app in Play Store. Okay, you can find more templates, more like that. You can have thousands of templates here. You can search for them. You can like wait. Let's take some Coast Guard Army. Let's take Army Day. You have to one second on this templates Instagram post. For Army Day, you have to make and post it. Okay, now okay, this should be like it seems like army, but it is paid. This is as same as free pick, but you can have some direct templates, means you can remove them, you can add them. First of all, we'll take some background thing. Let's take this thing, not an army, just for example I'm saying. Okay, if you want to use this template, you can just click on use template, it will open up. Okay, you can do anything, you can change this background, everything. See, you can change this text also, like photo, you can add anything, you can so like so like that, you can do anything. And you can even name, you can add here logos, everything. And you, if you want to change this pic also, you can change from the phone itself, you can change. Okay,